shit.
Yeah.
I knew
I'm
it.
definitely talking shit.
It.
I'm definitely talking shit. So, Dr. Chase, I don't need to say my stuff.
You don't.
I hate it when people do
Why?
that.
Why would you do
Hey
that?
guys, it's Dr. Tan.
Obvious, it's your Instagram.
It's just so annoying. Dr. Chase Lay here. Anyways, this is Portia. That's her false name. She had surgery like over a year ago, and I made a post about her recently because she's coming back to get more surgery to get like this tiny.
I saw the post.
Tiny, yeah.
And I was like,
there's 2 lines, maybe a remnant of an old crease, but if it's not affecting the outcome of the surgery at all, so we want to just leave that as it is. The post was sort of shit talking as well, but she's got this tiny little thing, because this like little bitty thing she wanted to change from over a year ago. And can you even see where it was? I did say you could. I did say yes, you know, but anyways, let me put a glove on. She could be diseased, so we don't know. Anyhow, close your eyes. It was, the crease had kind of turned into 2 tiny little part-time creases. So we just re-anchored this portion in like the inner half, the inner third of the lid, and this is about a week later. She's kind of not a normal human. She, not your personality, not emotionally.
It wasn't noticeable.
It wasn't noticeable at all.
Except for to me.
Except to you.
That's it.
And so, but my job is to do what you say, pretty much. So anyway, so now it's just going to be 1 line again until she comes back in a year for
another thing.
Probably, yeah, maybe just therapy.
Yeah.
Or something.
Boy talk.
Dude talk, bro talk.
Exactly.
I'm retiring, by the way. This is my last year. Bye.